What if I told you that your first set of drawing pencils could make or break your art journey? For beginners, choosing the right pencil can make all the difference. In today's video, let's review these Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black drawing pencils, and you will see that they are a game changer. Here's why. Graphite pencils are a classic choice, sure, but they do have one frustrating drawback: that annoying shiny glare. When light hits your drawing at just the wrong angle, it can wash out the intensity of your shadows. That's a problem if you're trying to create high contrast, impactful drawings. That's where these come in. These drawing pencils are made with a blend of graphite and carbon. This seemingly magic combination gives you deep matte blacks with zero shine. In the set, you get 6 pencils. These are the HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B, and 8B, your darkest pencil. Swatch them out first to get a feel for them, and you'll see that, as with all types of pencils, it is better to begin with the hardest one, which is our HB pencil. This allows you to then build up the layers of your drawing so that you can eventually achieve darker velvety blacks without streaks or glare. And for me, these pencils just felt smoother and easier to control, which is a really great thing if you're a beginner. Also in this video, you'll see me blending with cotton tips for smaller areas and with a tissue here for larger areas. It really felt like the blending was super smooth, and I didn't get any unwanted streaks either. I was even able to erase from the 8B swatch those really dark areas. Maybe not completely, but I thought that was pretty good. So for today's art piece, I'm just going to do a very simple drawing on this paper from Daiso, and I'll come back at the end to give you my final thoughts about these pencils. So why are these pencils perfect for beginners? They solve 2 major challenges: getting those deep matte blacks and blending quickly and smoothly. No matter what you decide to draw, these pencils help you create bold, striking art without the limitations of traditional graphite. Remember, every great artist was once a beginner. So if you're just starting out and want a pencil that helps you focus on your craft without fighting your tools, give these a try. They might just be the upgrade your art deserves. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tools to level up your art. And I'll see you in the next video.